Hey, I'm Crystal, and I have something exciting to share with you all today. Quilt 101 has reached out and turned one of my patterns into a full quilt kit. So today I'm going to walk you through it, open it up, and show you exactly how it all comes together. The pattern is called Witching Hour. Now you probably assume, hey, Halloween fabrics, and you'd be right. That is where this pattern was born. But Quilt 101 took it in a completely different direction using Fireworks Fields by Gracie Larson for Riley Blake Fabrics. It's the same pattern, but the fabrics are drastically different and both look amazing. And that's the fun of all of my scrappy patterns, as no matter what you use, it will come out amazing. Now, a quick note before we dive in, this quilt kit was purchased on my own. I love supporting small businesses like Quilt 101, and I'll leave the link down below in the video's description if you would like to grab one for yourself. And of course, check out her other amazing quilt kits available. Now, these quilt kits are a little bit different than what you're normally used to, as everything is already pre-cut. No rotary skills are needed, as that is all done for you. You open the box, lay everything out, and you can start sewing immediately. Once again, inside you'll find all the pre-cut pieces labeled with the measurements, the binding, and a printed copy of the pattern. I also grabbed one of the options of a coordinating backing fabric with this kit. Unfortunately, by the time this video went live, the backing options have already sold out, which is amazing. Thank you all. So make sure you snag a already pre-cut quilt kit before they sell out. Now let's get started. Since everything is already pre-cut, you'll start by taking the smaller rectangles, and that is choose 4 matching prints and 4 matching background pieces. Line them up together in a row, then sew them along the longest side with a 1/4 inch seam allowance. Next, you'll then take one of the larger print rectangles and sew it to the left side. And that's it. That's your block. A very nice, simple, anyone can do it quilt block. Now all you have to do is repeat this process 16 more times. And then once all of those blocks are made, you'll lay them out in a 4x4 grid pattern. For the odd number of rows, keep the striped side of the block on the right side. And then for the even number of rows, rotate them around so the striped side sits on the left. Sew your blocks together into rows, and then lastly sew those rows together to complete your quilt top. And here's what my quilt top looks like all pieced together. For the backing, I had selected this pretty light blue coordinating print from the fabric collection, and for the thread choice, I went with glide threads in the color Seagull. Also, there is another amazing thing Quilt 101 quilt kits have. If you purchase the backing fabric, the backing is also already pre-cut for you. So once again, you can just piece it together and then now quilt it instantly. And here is what my quilt looks like all quilted out. I have selected Becker's Shooting Star from Urban Elements. Link will be down below in the video's description. As you can see, this was a Halloween-born quilt pattern, and it has now been reborn into fresh fabrics. The quilt that I just made is up for sale on my website, linked down below, as well as many others. So snag a quilt that I have made and also quilted by yours truly. And if you would like the complete measurements for this quilt, as well as multiple quilt sizes, check out the original photo, which I will link down below in the video. I do hope you all liked this special announcement. If you could please take a moment to hit that like and subscribe button, hit the notification bell so you can be notified for your next amazing quilt project.